Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a Naked Grouse Sour. So our base spirit is Naked Grouse, which is a blended malt. It's finished in a first fill Oloroso sherry cask, which means the whiskey is going to be really rich and fruity, and it pairs really nicely with fresh fruits. So you're going to start with your orange. You're going to squeeze your orange, and you're looking for about 50 ml for one serve, and a half orange should give you about 50 ml. And you're going to do the same for your lemon. And again, you're looking for about 20 ml, which is about half a lemon. So the great thing about these drinks is that they're versatile. So you can sub out the orange or the lemon juice for another fruit juice. It's all about balancing flavor. And you want to get that balance between sweet, sour, and bitter for the perfect drink. Okay, so you're going to grab your shaker and your lovely Naked Grouse. You're looking for about 50 ml of Naked Grouse in your shaker. 50 ml of your fresh orange juice. And 20 ml of the lemon juice. And our secret ingredient is honey. And this is just going to finish off the drink. It's going to give it a really nice balanced flavor. And you're looking for about 10 ml of honey, which is about a teaspoon. Okay. So people will tell you that you can't mix Scotch whisky in cocktails, but you absolutely can. It's just about knowing what kind of ingredients to pair with your whiskey. Whiskey tastes delicious neat, but it's also really nice in cocktails if you pair it with the right ingredients. So we're going to fill our other half of our shaker up about 3/4 with ice. You're going to pour your ingredients into the other half, and you're going to give your shaker a little tap on the top, which is basically going to seal your shaker, and it means you're not going to get Naked Sour all over your face when you shake it. So we're going to give this a really quick shake. There's no egg white in here, so we don't need to shake it super hard. We're just chilling the liquid, and we're blending those ingredients together. So a couple of shakes, and you're going to smash the side, which is going to release the top of the shaker. Pop that there, and you're just going to pour this straight into your glass. You don't need to replace the ice. The ice shouldn't have broken up too much. Okay, and then the final thing you need is your garnish. So you're going to grab an orange and you're going to give it a really good peel all the way from the top to the bottom. And with that garnish, just give it a little twist and hover it over the rim of that glass, and it's just going to give your drink a really nice aroma. There you have it, fresh, simple, and delicious.